In this video, brought to you by Trashbots, you will learn about the tower activity. For this activity, you will use your kit's materials to construct the tallest tower possible. Step 1. Gather materials. Gather your popsicle sticks, your pucks, your rubber bands, your gears, and your pucks. Step 2. Design. Design a prototype or several prototypes of your tower and share your ideas with your classmates. Step 3. Build. Build your prototype. Keep in mind that you don't have to use all of the materials. Step 4. Test. Test your prototype by making it stand on its own. Does it lean over or remain standing? Step 5. Improve. Make adjustments to your tower to improve its structural integrity and make it taller. Step 6. Compete. Compete with your classmates to see whose tower is the tallest. Step 7. Reflect. Reflect on your design and build process. Is there anything you wish you had done differently? For more projects, visit trashbots.co/lessons.